Welcome to our exploration of the book of 1 John, a captivating letter that dives into the essence of love, truth, and fellowship. Imagine yourself in the early Christian community, longing for assurance and clarity about your faith. That's where 1 John steps in. Crafted by the Apostle John, this letter isn't just ancient text, it's a vibrant guide relevant even today. 1 John opens with a powerful declaration. That which was from the beginning, which we have heard, which we have seen with our eyes, we proclaim to you. 1 John 1:1. John isn't sharing second-hand information. He presents first-hand experiences with Jesus. This sets an authoritative yet approachable tone, drawing us into the core message about Jesus Christ as the source of light and life.
One of the letter's pivotal themes is fellowship with God and one another. John writes, "If we walk in the light as he is in the light, we have fellowship with one another." 1 John 1.7. This isn't just about social interaction. It's a deep spiritual connection rooted in authenticity and truth. Walking in the light means living transparently, rejecting darkness and sin. John fervently emphasizes love, declaring in the famous verse, "God is love," 1 John 4 verse 8. This isn't a mere slogan. It defines God's very nature. Love, as John explains, is the hallmark of genuine faith. We love because he first loved us, 1 John 4 verse 19.
It's a cycle of divine love manifesting through us to others. Moreover, 1 John addresses the assurance of salvation. "These things I have written to you, that you may know that you have eternal life." 1 John 5:13. This assurance encourages believers to live boldly and confidently in their faith, knowing they belong to God. So if you're seeking a practical, meaningful exploration of Christian love and fellowship, 1 John is your go-to guide. Its timeless wisdom continues to resonate, urging us to remain in the light, embrace love, and confidently rest in our salvation. Dive deep into 1 John and let its profound teachings transform your understanding of faith today.